For over 50 years, no human has ventured beyond low Earth orbit, half a century, since the last footprints were left on the moon during Apollo 17 mission. And now, humanity is finally going back. But this time, it's not just about planting a flag, it's about preparing for something much bigger. This is Artemis II, the mission that could redefine our future in space. Welcome back to the Fact Frenzy, where curiosity meets reality. What is Artemis II? Artemis II is set to be the first crewed mission in NASA's Artemis program, sending astronauts around the moon and back to Earth. No landing this time, just a powerful journey, a lunar flyby. Think of it as humanity's test run, a way to make sure everything works before we step back onto the lunar surface. The crew will travel aboard the Orion spacecraft, launched by the massive Space Launch System, the most powerful rocket NASA has ever built. Why the 50-year gap? So why did it take half a century to return? After Apollo, priorities shifted, budgets changed, focus moved towards space stations in Earth orbit. Meanwhile, the moon just waited. Fun fact, since 1972, more humans have been to space stations than to deep space. The moon became a memory, until now. Earth from the moon, a perspective shift. One of the most powerful moments astronauts describe isn't the moon itself, it's seeing Earth from space. A small blue sphere, no borders, no divisions, just one planet. This view, called the overview effect, has changed how astronauts think about humanity forever. Geography disappears, perspective expands, and Artemis II astronauts will experience it again, for the first time in decades. The human challenge. Going to the moon isn't easy. Astronauts will travel nearly 400,000 kilometers from Earth, farther than any human has gone in modern times. They'll face deep space radiation, isolation, extreme temperatures, and total reliance on technology. Strange nature trivia, even bacteria behave differently in space, growing faster and mutating in unexpected ways. Imagine what that environment does to the human body. Why this mission matters more than ever. Artemis II isn't just about revisiting the moon, it's about what comes next. NASA plans to use the moon as a stepping stone for future missions to Mars. The moon is close enough to test technology, but far enough to prepare for deep space exploration. It's like a training ground for humanity's next giant leap. A global moment. This mission isn't just American, it's global. International partnerships, shared technology, and global attention make Artemis II a mission for all of humanity. From classrooms in Asia to observatories in Europe, the world will be watching. Because when humans leave Earth's orbit, they don't just represent one country, they represent all of us. Final thoughts. After 50 years, humanity is finally stepping back into deep space. Not just to explore, but to prepare for a future beyond Earth. The moon is no longer the finish line, it's just the beginning. So here's the real question. If Artemis II is only the first step, how far are we truly willing to go next? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next unbelievable fact about our wild, wonderful planet. See you in the next video.